So yes, today we are talking about passion test, and this is like one of the simple and very powerful tool to get the clarity. So just let me know your views, what you feel when you hear this word passion test. You can unmute Nasreen and just let me know. Okay, fine. It's actually so many time in our life we use the word I'm confused, I don't know what to do, where to go, and all these things. So when we use the word confused, the what happens, our subconscious believes, okay, I don't know what to do. And we are not able to take the action and we procrastinate on the things. And we feel like I'm not able to do the action. I'm not taking action, enough action. And this is happening because we are saying I'm confused. To remove confusion, the only way is to you have to take action. But how you will take? So this passion test is gonna help you in all these things. So, whenever you use the term confuse, and I would request you to stop using the word confuse in your life. Just start saying, in place of confusion, I'm exploring. There will always be two, three options that you can do, and you can just go with one, and your mind will be saying, okay, if I leave that, what will happen? Let me say, like, earlier I was doing financial things also, investment planning also, and I used to love makeup. So I was thinking, what should I choose? So that time, actually 2 years before, I was not getting so much interest in, but I was doing for myself, but I was not thinking I can do it more and all these things. And then I was just thinking what to do, and I don't want to leave. I When I was thinking, okay, I'll learn makeup, then I was thinking, no, 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 it's not for me. And when I used to choose finance, I used to feel, okay, maybe I have a small kid, I won't be able to go for the job and all these things. So every time we will be confused and we will be procrastinating on the things and we won't be able to take action. So to remove confusion, you have to select any of the options. You have to choose one thing. Until you are choosing the thing and taking the action, you there will always be confusion. And stop saying confusion, start saying the word exploration. This beautiful word I have learned from my mentor Pooja, and like now I have stopped using the word confused. So I tried makeup, I did it, I did the certification also. Initially I used to like it, but later I found out, okay, I'm not feeling so happy, it is not so much aligned with my values, so I stopped doing that. Now also I do for some time, like once in a month I do online makeup workshop. But I figure it out ki this is not something that I am feeling too truly joyful when I'm doing it. Initially I was enjoying and playing with all those things and all. I used to love makeup and all these things, but later I realized it's not ki I can spend hours and hours on this thing. I like applying it on myself, but I don't enjoy doing it for others and using creating different avatars. So I realized, okay, when I took the action, then only I find out. Okay. So until you are taking the action, either you will be successful, matlab you will be doing more of it. Otherwise, you will be finding out, okay, this is not for me. Let me try something out. So we are kind of exploring here. And yes, so both of you, do you have pen and paper ready?
Yes.
Yes. So this passion test is like clarity test many a time, because so many things are in life we are doing also, and we don't know is it important for us. Everything just seems like important, whether it's important or not. So many things that we are doing. But today you have to make a list of 10 things that are important to you and you feel joyful also while doing them. Okay. So let's say going for a family wedding is important. Okay, we can't ignore that. But that doesn't give me joy. I don't enjoy that thing. So I will not put it. And let's say I love dancing. I just love dancing, partying and all. But this is not important to me. Okay, so I will also not put that thing. And like playing with my kids, and like giving quality time to my husband, these are important to me and also gives me joy. So I'll put that thing. Now I'm learning finance, doing coaching, to making courses and setting all these things and planning for these sessions. This gives me joy also, and I feel it's important for my growth also. So I'll put that in my passion test. So like that, you have to find out. And also like cooking. Cooking can be important, and for some of us it is joyful task also. We feel very happy while doing cooking. Actually, earlier I was also kind of that person. I used to love cooking, but now actually matlab I do sometimes, but I don't enjoy that. So now it will not come in my passion test. So at this moment, and these lists will keep changing, so don't feel that today I'm putting something, other things are out of my way. So every 3 months you can do this passion test and find out at this moment what are important things for you. Okay, this is we are doing for like keeping 3 months or 6 months in our mind. Okay, so write down in this 3 month or 6 month what are important to you. Important, and that gives you joy also. Okay, listening to music is like gives me joy, but that is not an important task for me. Okay, so like that you have to find out what are your important things. And now like I have participated in these leadership, so there I'm getting confidence, I'm learning, I'm helping mothers, so I'm feeling joyful also, and I feel it's important for me to grow also. So like that you have to find 10 things. First write down. I'll play some music. Have you guys done it?
Yes, completely.
Yes. So now you have made a list of 10 things. You know what is important, what gives you joy. Yes. So now we will go one step further in this. Now you have to take every thing and compare with the next one. And actually now from 10 you have to make the list of 5. Okay, this is the list of 10. Now you have to choose only 5 things. Okay. So how you will choose? First, let's say first I have written spending play time and activity time with my kids. So I'll compare with other things. Okay, is it the most important or something else is most important? So like that, take one and compare with others. And what is most important, just write it one. So right now for me, like creating and designing courses for mentorship is number one. So like that, just make a list of five. Once it is done, let me know if
Done.
yeah, done. So now from you have to give it a score from 0 to 1. Like let's say my first is designing courses. So from 0 means I'm not at all doing it. 10, my courses are fully ready. I have completed everything. So 10 is I'm living this thing. What is important to me? And for designing courses, I will give 5. I am in between. Well, I have been doing this work, but it is not completed yet. So I will give this thing 5. And doing morning ritual from last month, I was not keeping well, and I'm not following my morning routine beautifully. So I will give it like uh, 5 only. But I do some of the activities. I'm doing meditation, gratitude, but not everything I am doing. So I'm giving a less. Playing with my kid, yes, I am doing it fully. So I'll rate it, I think 8. And like doing these leadership that I have joined, I'm connected with mom, doing the activities. For that, I will be giving myself again 8 because from last 2 3 days I was not so well, so I didn't do some of the activities, and I was not connecting with the mothers. And learning about mutual fund and investing, I'm really doing it. So I'll give it 9. So give a score. Where you have given the score.
Yes.
So now you have to add your score. Yes, Vaishali, actually, we are almost at the end. Uh, so I'll share the recording. You can just go through the recording, or I'll tell once we finish this, I'll tell to you also what to do about it. So you have given your score.
Yes.
So if your and what does it mean? Now I'll tell you. If your score is between 0 to 20, okay, that means you are not living your life fully. You need more courage. You need to come out of your comfort zone. You need to prioritize your thing. Okay. You really need courage. You are not living the life that you should be living. Okay. If you got 20 to 30, you have some clarity what is important, but you are not able to do it properly. Okay. And you need more clarity actually. And you get distractions very fast, and you really need to work on your distractions. You get distracted very fast. You need to work on your distractions. And if your score is between 30 to 40, so you are already doing wonderful. Now you have to work on your consistency. You have to increase the consistency, and yeah, it will increase your speed. And if you are in 40 to 50, you are already doing it good. So now you can move some of the item like so for some of the thing like I have got 9 or 10, so you can remove 9, 10, or 8 things, and you can add whatever 5 things we have left. You can add those things. So if for you it's fine, you can just tell me what is your score and what you learned in this exercise. Have you got some clarity?
I think I need to work on distractions.
You need to work on
Distractions.
distractions. Okay, good. So you are in between 20 to 30. Yes.
Yes.
Now you have a list ready. Now you know. So how is it? Does it help you, this passion test?
Yes, yes,
And now
yes,
one more activity that you have to do for these 5 things. Now you have to define 3 action steps. Okay. जैसे कि first I have written like playtime with my kid. So for that, what I am going to do? 3 things you have to do. Like in the morning, I am going to like take my son with me down and play in the park. And second, I can just say, okay, I'll make him do some activity in the afternoon. So like that, you have to write 3 things that you will be doing for that particular thing. And for me, like designing the course, so I need to work more on content, designing my PPT, working on worksheets. So those things. So like that, for every 5 thing, now you have to write down 3 steps. Is it clear, Nasreen?
yes, yes. It's clear.
Yeah. Yeah. Vaishali, are you? So now I'll talk to Vaishali. I'll just let her know what it is. I
Sure,
think I'll
sure.
stop the recording.